This is Polestar 3. 360 kilowatt power, 840 Newton meter torque, and a 111 kilowatt hour battery with a range of up to 610 kilometer WLTP, and charging up to 250 kilowatt DC, air suspension, and plenty of equipment. The first year offer includes, as standard, the Plus Pack with Bauer & Wilkins audio system, soft closing doors, and power-operated steering column, heated everything. And we include the Pilot Pack with Pilot Assist, head-up display, and the Park Assist Pilot. The price for the first year offer, including Plus and Pilot Pack, €89,900. Golden seat belts come with a performance pack, along with 380 kilowatt power and 910 Newton meter torque. It includes the Polestar engineered chassis tuning, astonishing 22-inch polish forged wheels, and of course the golden details for additional €6,600. Start of production will be in mid-2023, and delivery to customers will start in Q4 that year. Polestar 3 can be ordered from today. We all know Polestar family is growing, and that is also true for our friends, colleagues, and of course, our 4-ledge friends.